Hello students, now see our lessons. Last point, force, displacement and work. Let us see their relationship. Now see the figure 7.4. In the figure, alongside a string attached to a wooden block on a table is passed over a pulley and tied to a weight. Here, weight tied to spring is applying a force on wooden block. By increasing the number of slotted weight, we can easily increase force on the block. Now increase the force. Let's increase the number of slotted weights. What do you see? Initially, we see that there is no displacement of wooden block, but as soon as we increase the weight, wooden block moving start forward. Means what? When we increase weight, then that weight applying a force on that wooden block and that block should be moved. Okay, wooden block moving start forward. When the block moves forward, we can say that it has been displaced. Means when that block little bit change its place, at that time we have to say that there is displacement. We say that force has done some work. Why? Because during that adding weight, that string applied force on that wooden block, and from that adding weight, that wooden block is displaced. Can we measure that work? And answer is yes. By taking force and displacement into consideration, we can measure the work done. We know that work done, it is denoted by capital letter W. By the force is equal to force applied to the body. That force is denoted by letter capital F. Multiply by displacement. It is denoted by letter S of the body that takes place in the direction of the force. Here W is equal to force into displacement. So that work here, that force and displacement are the vector quantities and W is a scalar quantity. If force of 1 Newton parallel to the surface of the table is applied to a wooden block on the table and the block is displaced by 1 meter, then it can be said that the force has done 1 joule of work. In this example, the displacement is in the direction of the force. In SI system, the unit of work is joule, while the unit of force is Newton and the unit of displacement is meter. And in CGS system, the unit of work is erg. Now here our lesson is completed. You should solve textbook exercise of this lesson. Thank you.